Hey, how about we all wear Santa hats?
Nope, this is the jolliest I'm gonna get.
Throw it to me, I want to wear it. Yeah.
We've got the spirit, don't we, Kay?
Yeah.
And now the adventure begins. Where are we going?
Ornaments. Yay.
Off we go. I'm Batman.
I can also get basketball.
Are about to happen at Hogwarts. Harry Potter must not stay here now that history is to repeat itself.
Expecto Patronum! Oh my god, this bag is so heavy because it's so expensive. What's over there?
Basketball! Chris and Eddie.
Merry Christmas, doggies! Are you Sarah's car? Nothing but that, 2023.